Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another day, another page in this really cute book. There's a lot of finished pages on Instagram, on Facebook. You are doing absolutely fantastic. And we are still going strong, folks. Yesterday we did the wizard, and today we are going to do this little devil munchkin thingy. Well, I pulled out my reds, some oranges, maybe a lost yellow, but I'm not sure yet because I wanted to go for a monochromatic look. But I'm going to do his skin in a lighter color. I don't have the guts to do the skin in red, so let's see what we can make of this little cutie, and let's get the supplies, maybe a cup of tea, and let's start coloring. Well, silly me. I was videoing and recording the last section and at the end realizing that my mic wasn't on. So I'm going to start over because he turned out really cute. Limited color palette, you can get a long way because I only used 2 reds, 2 oranges, a black and a light pink. And just see this, how this little guy turned out. I love him. I did some jelly roll glaze on the black tips for some shine because I really like that. And yeah, because I already recorded this one, I colored the leaf already. And we are in the single digits, only 9 pages to go. Unbelievable. And you are going really good. So what are we going to do tomorrow? Let's see. Oh, and in the first try I said it was a puppy, but now I know better. It is a little rabbit. So I think I'm going to do warm grays for the little bunny. And first I thought do a green, but we did a lot of potions with green already. And then I thought, well, maybe we are going to make it into a genie and gonna make this blue. But as I always say, we still have a whole night to think about this and dream about this to which color palette we are going to choose. So I hope you will tune in tomorrow again for the 22nd. Yeah, my brain is so not working. No, it's 23rd already. Yes. Oh, folks, I'm so sorry. It has been a really long day. If you haven't already, please hit the like and subscribe button and you will support the channel. And keep on going strong. We still have 9 pages to go. But I am positive we're going to make this and we're going to fill up this entire book. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of the day and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.